Hey, how you doing there, Mr. McDonald? My name is Leo from Arona Marketing. I actually reached out to your office today, and they gave me an email contact for you. I told them I wanted to shoot you a quick website audit video. It's custom to your site, as you see. And all I'm doing is trying to help local roofing companies, local roofing companies um, increase their online presence, just bring more value to their website. I know it's hard to decide which marketer to choose because you don't know who's an expert and who's not. That's why my approach is I kind of like to show you what I know and what I can do, but before we take any steps further. So I hope you find value in this video, and I hope the tips and tricks are something that'll help you increase your ranking on Google. As you see here, I've got your website pulled up. Right off the bat, I love how you got the get quote and the call now. The call now on the forefront and center of this is awesome because a lot of times I've seen people will have the number hidden down here at the bottom. And when people's looking for services, especially if they got a hole in the roof or they need emergency repair, they're not going to search this site. They're going to click on this page, look for the call number, and keep it going. So I love that you got that number up there. Love these pictures, and the layout of your site is actually pretty nice. I do like it. But what I am noticing on your home page here, it is lacking content. And when I say content, I just mean that it's just not got enough words on this page. Google, in Google's eyes, content is king, amongst a couple other things, but content is king. You have got to have the content. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. And then the pages behind it, you want about 5 to 750 words. Also notice you don't have services here. That's another opportunity for you to build more pages with more content on them, add more photos on there, and it'll help you rank higher as well. So what I would do is if you offered anything other than just regular shingles, I would put those on top here, metal roof, things like that you can put up here. And then we can add a drop down to it and add 750 words on that page, and it just helps boost your ratings in Google's eyes. As you see here, what I've done is actually you're on the second page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're number 10 down here on the second page. Not too bad. And seeing the lack of SEO that's on your website, I know that this GMB, your Google My Business or Google Business page, is a big factor in your ranking. These 46 reviews with the 4.9 star rating is stellar, Mr. McDonald. I'll tell you, that is awesome. A lot of people fight their whole life to try to get ratings like that. 3.5, 4.6, 4.7, 5.0. But look at all the reviews you have. Like, that is awesome. So the point of this video today is, I don't count these top spots as their ads. And another thing, a lot of people don't trust ads. They think they're just paid advertisers up there, and people that's not really trusted. A lot of people think that these top 3 spots in Google are the most trusted sites by Google. So 75% of people that come searching for roofing companies are going to choose from this top 3 right here. 70% of people don't even go to the second page. And Google is the largest search engine in the world. In America, 3 out of every 4 people are using Google every single day. So getting up here on this top map pack is very, very important. And also along with the organic ranking as well. Now, what I do is these tips I'm going to show you, not only are they going to help you with your local map pack, but they're also going to help you rank organically here as well. And that's where a lot of business comes from as well. So a lot of business comes from just Google alone. Most companies get 30% from the map pack and 70% from the organic ranking. So Google is a big deal. Some people try to use Facebook as a website, and that's not good because those sites can be taken down for anything. You could have someone that's upset at you and they can go report your page on Facebook and it'd be taken down, and it's not fair and it's not right, but it's the reality of it. So what I do is I go through, check out your website, see that there is no SEO on here, and that's search engine optimization, and that's what helps you get to the top of the Google ranks is being optimized. So I'm going to show you a little trick here. I didn't plan on this, but I seen it earlier as I was looking at your site, so I wanted to show you. See how this picture is saved? In Google's eyes, Google doesn't see a beautiful roof. They see 894448238. So that's incorrect. You want to save that as roofing Louisville, Kentucky, or Louisville, Kentucky roofing, Bluegrass Roofing and Restoration, Louisville, Kentucky. Those are buyer intent keywords, and that's something that I'll cover with you here in a second. So I told you this first page needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And if you had service pages on there, 500 to 750 on those as well. But all these pages need to have 750 words, 500 to 750 on each one. And that's, like I said, that's just what Google likes. And it's just everything's on one page here. So when it comes to your pages, you just have one page on here. And it's almost like your drop down is your interlinking. So what we want to do is add bolded words, buyer intent bolded words down here with interlinking. That's where, if you're talking about this house and the beautiful shingle roof it's got up there, then you'll have on the word shingle roof can be clicked and it'll take you to your services for the shingles or for the metal roof, or whatever services that you provide. It can all be added on there. So what I want to do is take you over here to your #1 competitors page. These are the people I just showed you a second ago that is ranking #1 in Google. And as you see, no content. I think you have more content than them on your homepage. But this is what I'm saying here is what you need. You need to have these extra services, and these services brings pages. So this page should be 500 to 750 keywords, and as you see, they're failing on that as well. So you're probably asking yourself, well, how are they outranking? Well, I'm going to take you to this tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. It is a web crawler tool that crawls the domain that I enter, and it tells me everything I need to know and what I need to do to be able to outrank this site or beat them. So again, we just take this, put it in here, and then we put it into the site. Then we search it. Okay. So now what we do is we've got the #1 competitors site right here. All right. And they've got 2,000 backlinks. And a backlink, simply put, is this domain is somewhere else on the internet, on a blog post, on a guest post, on a review. It's somewhere, and it's referring back to their home page. So what you want to do is, looks like you got a robo blocker on this. So that's another problem. You're going to need a site that usually I've been seeing that on sites built with GoDaddy. Yeah, you have no backlinks, you have no referring domains, no organic keywords. So what I was trying to show you here earlier is their backlinks is from one site to another, and they also have citations. See, they had 179 referring domains. The rest are citations. 23 best Louisville siding, emergency tree removal. See there, this is why it does emergency tree removal. They've got a backlink for emergency tree removal. It is a backlink, but it doesn't give them any power or any trust. And this is 18 out of 7. Like, these are out of 100. So these are very weak backlinks. And like I said, citations is also known as NAP. And a citation is simply a name, an address, and a phone number put in Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, anything in anything in that area as a directory is what a citation is. So you can do that yourself along with these other things that I'm showing you. You can go to Yelp, enter all your company's information in, the name, address, phone number, and that's a citation that comes back to your page. Now, one last thing. I'm going to show you real quick before we go. We did the content, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, 5 to 750 words on the back pages. Then we went over backlinks as well and what a backlink is and a citation. I just want you to see these organic keywords are driving organic traffic, and this is what's being put in their pocket every month just from this simple website being built. I told you earlier I'll let you know what an organic keyword is. This is a keyword. This is a buyer intent keyword. If someone's putting in Louisville roofing, most of the time, 9 times out of 10, they're looking for a contractor to come out and get their services taken care of. Louisville roofers, very, very similar, but 500 people a month are searching this phrase, 600 people a month are searching this phrase. So if we went to your website and put Louisville roofing in here, it will really increase. Instead of Bluegrass Roofing, you say Bluegrass Roofing and Restoration is an expert local Louisville roofing company. Local roofing company. You've got to add the city in there. So it will be Bluegrass Roofing and Restoration is an expert for local, a local roofing company, Louisville, Kentucky. Because that is giving you the occupation or the niche, which is roofing, and it's the city. So that is buyer intent keywords. And just out of these 3 right here, that's 1,600 extra searches a month that's coming to your site to hopefully generate more income and more jobs for you. So Mr. McDonald took up a little bit more time than I expected to, but I hope you enjoy the time I spent with you. I hope you take these things, apply it to your website. If you are using GoDaddy or something that has a robo blocker on there, you've got to get out from up under that because Google is not recognizing you or your website. But the GMB is saving you. Your Google My Business profile is saving you and it's keeping you on the second page. But if you added a website to that, Mr. McDonald, you would crush it. Again, my name is Leo Arona. I'll be sending an email to you. You can reply back to that if you like. If not, you can give me a call at 270-841-3600. Mr. McDonald, I hope you enjoy the tips and tricks that I showed you, things that you can do to improve your website, which is get more content on there, add you more pages, backlinks, citations, and keywords. This video will be posted for you so you can watch it anytime that you need. Hope you have an awesome day, sir.